In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have commenced a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we have started the chapter and it is about syntax, which is the study of the structure of sentence. Listeners and audience, today, the topic which I have brought for you, it is about syntactic properties of verbs. That what are the different syntactic qualities or properties of the verbs? Listeners and audience, you know, there are different verbs and their types. Like we have transitive verbs, we have intransitive verb, we have regular verb, we have irregular verb, we have linking verbs, and also other types like helping and auxiliary verb and even modal verbs. However, I'm just going to tell you syntactically that how different verbs they have their different properties. Whenever we are talking about the properties, here we means that there are some verbs which are taking one argument. There are some verbs which are taking two arguments. And there are some verbs even they are taking three and more than three arguments. So each and every verb has its own specific property or quality. Now, how is it so? Let me share some examples of those verbs which are having different properties. First of all, let me come to intuition. You know, it is the ability of human being. This is the innate ability, by birth ability of human being, that even if a person, if he does not know grammatical rules, he can understand the correct sentence or the ill sentence. The correct sentence means which is correct, which does not have any ambiguity, which does not have any grammatical problem, grammatical issue. However, on the other hand, L sentence is a sentence which is grammatically incorrect. So even the intuition of human being tells him that which sentence is correct and which sentence is incorrect. For example, if there is a common man, even he does not know the complete rule of grammars. But if you ask him that he hit the ball, this sentence is correct or the ball hit him, or this is correct, definitely he would say that the first sentence is correct while the next one is incorrect. So he says and shares this information with you based on his intuition. However, I'm talking about syntactic qualities, syntactic properties of words, because the next are the other qualities which are semantic properties. We will discuss them in detail in semantics, inshallah. Okay. So let me write some words. For example, we have the word love. This is a word. I'm writing now. Practically, I know that how many arguments are required, how many properties are there of this word, and how many arguments are required for the word love. See, for example, here the properties of it would be that one argument for this word, which is verb, would be subject. This is one argument, okay. Next argument for this is direct object. Yes, direct object. One is what? One is subject and another is direct object. Now, it means there are two arguments for this verb. There are two properties, two arguments, you may say that is the valid one. So two properties or two arguments for this word which is love. Now, if I'm taking it in the symbol forms, so I can write it here like here for the verb we have one NP and also another NP. So here we have two NPs. Now what does it mean? It means this verb precedes one NP which is subject, and it is also follows another NP which is the object of that verb. For example, we see he loves books. So here you see he, that is subject, loves, that is what? That is verb, and books, that is object. So here we have one NP and there we have another NP. So loves precedes, yes, it precedes the NP, and it's also follows by books, which is another NP. Okay. I'm writing another verb. The one is give. Even without writing the properties and the arguments for it, I know it practically that it needs three arguments. It needs three arguments. It requires three arguments. For example, or it has three arguments. So it's kind of three properties. Like one is subject. Okay. Another one that is direct object. Yes. And the third property which requires arguments for it is indirect object. Indirect object. How is it so? For example, I'm writing a sentence. He gave him a book. Listeners and audience, here you see he is subject and gave, that is verb, and he gave what? A book, that is direct object, and him, he gave him. So he is what? He is subject. Gave, that is verb. He gave what? A book. So here it is direct object. To whom? So to him it is indirect object. So how many arguments are there? I'm writing. So here I'm talking about, first of all, we have NP, one argument, okay, and here we have another NP, that is next argument, and the last argument we have, that is another NP. Yes. So how many NP we have? We have three NP, so three arguments we have for it. Okay. And same is the case. We also have the last sentence, like the last verb, that is sleep. So let's just write in sleep is a verb which requires only one argument, and that is the subject. Only one argument. For example, he sleeps. Okay. Now, syntactically, I'm going to draw the structure of these sentences. First of all, I wrote a sentence that was, he loves books. Okay, this is first sentence. Next sentence is, he gave him, for example, a book. And the third sentence is, he sleeps. So the tree structure of it would be, here we have S means sentence, and sentence we have NP, and NP we have he, that is N, and VP, here we have nouns, that is V. So I'm writing here VP. So in VP I'm taking the structure, that is NP, and NP here we have only books. So that is N. This is one sentence. Okay. for avoiding confusion. Another sentence we have that is as sentence. In sentence we have NP and VP. Okay. Now in NP we have he, that is N. In VP we have gap, that is V, which means verbs. After VP we have NP. NP means noun phrase. So NP, that is one NP, that is him. And after NP I'm taking another P because NP is also followed by another NP. And that is what? That is a book. So here is article and a book, that is N. The last sentence we have, here we have S and so like string, and as we have NP, that is he, so it is N. And we also have VP, yes, that is V, sleep. So listeners and guidance, this is all about today's topic. Hope that you would have understood the properties or arguments of verb. Thank you.